guys, it's Stasia. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, we are going to be doing SPOOKTORIAL Season 3 Episode 2. And as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a Sully from Monsters Inc. kind of makeup tutorial. So I'm laughing because it's gonna kind of give like Sully but on a night out, like Sully but he's giving it to the girlies, like it's giving night out glam Sully. So I'm really excited to do this video, but I'm also nervous because it's my first like full kind of face paint and neck paint of the season. So yeah, if you guys want to see my Sully from Monsters Inc. but on a night out makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. Alright, I hope you guys can't hear my fan in my room too much. It's super hot, and the only shirt that I had that kind of matched his like fur is like long sleeve, so it's like super duper hot, so let's ignore that. But the first thing that we are going to do is my eyebrows. So as you guys can see, I just have like my regular eyebrows or whatever, but we're going to do them like purple, obviously, to match his fur. So I'm just gonna like brush them out kind of, and I'm trying to figure out a way like how I want them to be shaped. I think I'm just gonna like fill them in how I regularly do, except I'm gonna put some like purple. I'm gonna make purple from the CC Beauty palette and put that on kind of as if it was like a pomade, but make sure my brows, side note, if you see a little whiteness on my edges, it's the got to be glue. I'm like sweating and I don't want to sweat my edges out. So I keep trying to like fix them, but it's like balling up kind of. Whatever, ignore my edges. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the brows. I want to get them really saturated with purple. First, I'm just gonna take a flat brush and kind of put it on my brows, trying to make sure the color is like on my brows. I'm just gonna wipe around them a little bit just to get rid of the extra product. I'm gonna take some more powder and just make sure that's set in place. I'm using the Airspun translucent powder. Also already put on primer and all that good stuff. So now I'm gonna cover up my brows. I think since it kind of matches the color pretty good, I think I'm just gonna straight use this light blue shade from the palette just for like his whole face and stuff like that. So now I'm just gonna kind of carve out my eyebrows. I'm kind of trying to like do it how I would do my regular makeup, except it's with the colors of like his face, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna carve out my brows with this blue. Now on a small like eyeliner brush, I'm just going to take some more of that blue, and I'm just going to put some lines, kind of like little hair strokes in my eyebrow, just so it blends in more, because you know he's all fur, so he kind of wanted to look a little, you know, I don't know guys, I swear I say this every video, I'm terrible at explaining things. I'm really sorry. Like, you're like, if you're terrible at explaining things, why on earth are you making YouTube videos? But like, guys, just watch, please watch. I got this, I promise. I'm gonna take that blue again and just put it on my eyelids, and then I think I'm gonna do like, you know, an eye look. I don't know, I feel like I said, I kind of want this to be a glam Sully. It's like Sully but he has a date, or he is a baddie, and instead of James, I am Jasmine the baddie. Jasmine Sully, his sister, who just happens to be a baddie, you know. So I'm gonna take the Beauty Bay EYN 42 Bright palette, and first I'm just gonna take Paradise on a big fluffy brush and just like brush that over that color on the lid, especially under the brow. I'm going to take Wisteria from the palette and just start blending that on my outer corner, which is like a purple shade. and blend that into the crease. I'm gonna take Daydream and just blend that out, which is like a light blue shade. And now on this M441 brush, I'm gonna take Drama Queen, which is like a dark purple, and put that in the outer corner and blend that into the crease. Take some of the white out and just blend that out with that. Now I'm going to take a little bit of white with that blue shade and cut my crease with it. Then I'm going to take Daydream and just set my cut crease with that. Big purr. So now we're gonna do my base, you know. So I'm just gonna take a foundation brush, and I'm gonna take that blue from the CC Beauty palette, and obviously I'm just gonna put it on as I would foundation. So guys, I don't I like my hair a specific way just because I'm really insecure in my hair. Like, it's kind of just something that I like keep a certain way because I'm really insecure about like other hairstyles and stuff. So if you see in the thumbnail that my hair is like obviously the color of his, that's like I probably edited it a little bit, but like I always say, if you're doing this as a costume, well, obviously do whatever you feel comfortable with. So for example, if I was doing this as a costume, I don't know if I would necessarily like switch my hairstyle, but maybe I would add a few pieces that are this color. But like if you like switching your hairstyle, I would definitely recommend getting your hair the same color or like purple, maybe getting like a wig or something. Like there's a bunch of different things that you can do, but like I said, this is just kind of how I do it. I don't really switch my hair, especially since I do a lot of different videos. You know how hard it would be to like, I mean, I guess I could just buy a bunch of wigs, but like I said, I don't feel 100% comfortable doing that, and it would be so hard to switch my hair every time I did a new look, I feel like. Okay, now I'm going to take some of that blue again and a little bit of the white, mix that together, and this is going to kind of be like my under eye concealer. Gonna take that dark blue and just put it basically where I would like bronze and all that good stuff. I'm going to take that on a stippling brush, and I'm just going to take it on the stipples, and I'm just going to basically like wipe it like that. And this is kind of just like obviously the purple in his fur, but we're using this kind of brush technique so it looks more like fur, if that makes sense. Now I'm gonna mix in some darker blue, and I'm basically gonna do the same thing, and this is just to give it some dimension. I'm gonna do the same thing once more, but I'm gonna take white. And then before I set this with powder, I'm just gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna take some of that white. I'm gonna put it under my eyes kind of to like open them up. And now I'm gonna set everything with the airspun powder. And for my lips, I just mixed dark blue with a little bit of that shade that we've been using all over the face. I'm just gonna line my lips. Okay, I feel like it's looking a little bit messy, but I still kind of like the way that it looks. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're gonna draw some like teeth. The teeth are a little crooked, but we're gonna fix that. So I'm gonna go off camera, put on my lashes, and come back with the finished look. I'm gonna fix up some things. Like I said, my teeth are a little crooked. We're gonna fix that, and then we're gonna come back with the finished look. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, so this is the finished Sully from Monsters Inc. but on a night out makeup tutorial. Really is just Sully from Monsters Inc. I really like the way that this turned out. So I basically just put like some lashes under the white part just to make like my eyes look more open, and then I just put on a really big lash to finish off the look. Also, I made these little horns out of cardboard. I made them last night. So basically I just like freehanded it on paper, and then I traced the paper on cardboard, cut it out, and painted it. So yeah, that's kind of how I did the horns and all that good stuff. But yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. I think it's super cute. I think it's a little messy, but I think it's still pretty cute. Let me know what you guys think, and if you do this look, you can like tag me on all my social medias or any of my social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, you should give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload, especially if you love spooky videos, because all Octobers on Mondays and Fridays I'm going to be uploading a spooktorial videos. So like I said, if you like spooktorial videos and all that stuff, spooky videos, then definitely subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you never miss an upload. If you want to see last season 1 of Spooktorial and season 2 of Spooktorial, that'll be linked in the description box down below, and depending on when you watch this video, all of season 3 will be linked down below. But if you're watching it obviously like when it's first uploaded, you'll only see like the first episode and this episode. So yeah, I'm so excited to continue making these videos for you guys. I really like this look. I think it turned out really cute. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Stay spooky. Bye. Rawr.